Alright guys, I've got a super nice Snapper Pro S150 commercial grade mower here. It's got the big heavy duty front casters, super heavy duty reinforced deck all the way around the front and sides, and it's a 48-inch deck, fully suspended, and it's also got your suspension seat that's adjustable for comfort along with a seat belt because this thing moves. Foot pedal adjustment, heavy duty larger back tires with a nice wide stance for hills. And then it's got the heavy duty pump and drive system with the separate pumps with the cooler fans on top. Dual fuel tank, and it's a 20, I'll put it in the ad, but I think this is a 22 horsepower or 24 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. I'll double check. And then 479 hours on it, so plenty of life left in this thing. I'll start it up for you and show you how it operates. Choke. Motor runs super smooth. No rattling or knocking. I'll idle it down for you. No smoke. Runs real smooth on low altitude. Foot pedal adjustment with the pins here. This releases the deck to fall all the way to whatever pin you have it set at. That deck is probably a little bit low, so I'm going to raise that up. Yep, that looks good. Okay, blades. It is missing the grass chute here. I don't have it. You can order it online though. Mower's got a really high blade tip speed and really good ground speed. Off, idle it back down. Real good mower right here.